When you're eating chicken wings,
Yeah.
do you eat it like dainty, or do you deep throat that shit?
What do you mean deep throated?
Like just like all in the mouth, because like I've seen people do that shit and it grosses me the fuck out.
Oh,
Like-
you're talking about when like they put it all like that? What?
Yes. I think I know.
But that's
this
how people
podcast
eat
is
it,
gonna
though.
Start.
Like people really do that though.
I know they deep throated. That's what I meant. I didn't know how else to put it. Like, do you aggressively eat it, or do you?
Wait, it depends on like it kind of depends on.
I didn't need the sound effect.
Oh my god!
Did you not hear?
What?
Did you not hear yourself like?
Because they put it all the way in. Oh my god! I'm serious.